Good morning, K3. Welcome back, my teacher Saruon again. Now it's time to study math. Today is Monday, 31st August 2020. How are you, everyone? I hope you are good. And for me, it's fine. Thank you. Now let's start to do revision our lesson with teacher together. Before we start, teacher, where you come from? 1 until 20 with teacher. Here, our class card. Okay, let's learn to count together, everyone. Okay, are you ready? Now listen and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So teacher has 15 plus card. And our lesson we used to learn with comparative. Okay, now let's start. Okay, this first line with cars. Here we say big, bigger, bigger. Again, big, bigger, and bigger. Okay. Small, smaller, smaller. Again, small, smaller, and smaller. Okay, very good, everyone. So look at the whiteboard. Today, teacher has one picture to show you here. Do you know what do we call? What is it? So teacher will going to show you the Khly one. Okay, up down, top right, up down, and down to right. What is it? Again, one more. It has 4 steps. So here we call shape. Okay, because shape we say rectangle, 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 rectangle. Okay, so our lesson today we learn about rectangle. Okay, what is it? Rectangle. What is it? Rectangle. Okay, so our lesson today we learn about rectangle. Now, today teacher has many rectangle here for you to do tracing rectangle. Okay, trace the rectangles. Okay, and then you can color. After that, teacher want you to circle each rectangle. So which one that you think is rectangle? Here is rectangle? No. Here is rectangle? Yes, please circle. So what side that you think is rectangle? Please circle. Yeah, thank you kids for watching this video. Good luck, K3. Goodbye.